crowd favorite itong si James Yap at it's worth the ticket price. Mapanood lang maglaro si James Yap.
Actually, pati naman ako nung naglalaro ako. Every time I hold the ball, sinisigawan rin ako ng tao. Wag!
Pasa mo!
Wag! Okay, samantala, ito naman si Peter Jun Simon. Still very aggressive dito sa ating ball game. Pumasok yung kanyang tira so that this is an end one opportunity para dito kay Peter Jun Simon. Ang nahabol na lang dito kay Peter Simon, consistency. Consistency na lang mula dito kay Peter Jun Simon. Previously, nagkaroon nga siya ng moniker na para super sub. Dahil nga he always comes off the bench. Pero dito, nag-start na siya ng last game. Now he's also starting.
For the second game in a row, nahuli na niya yung tiwala ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. At siguro ayaw na ni Coach Ryan Gregorio mabagal yung pagsisimula ng kanyang team. Ito na yung pinaka-strongest offensive five niya sa tingin natin.
That is correct, oo. Sa labas naman, ito naman si Corey Santi. Nagmintes, rebound control by Ralini. And Roger Yap, that is a good move for Roger Yap. Dahil sinabi nga natin, bumabantay sa kanya. Nung si Joe Devance, he caught him backpedaling and he attacked the defense of Joe Devance.
At yun nga kaya hindi gumawa ng adjustment si Coach Ryan Gregorio. Kala natin baka magpalit din siya ng big lineup bigla-bigla, but he stuck with it and Roger Yap delivers.
Jaire Ibanez trailing in EM3 at meron pang sumabit, so a possible 4-point play para dito kay Jaire Ibanez as Peter Jun for his first foul.
Pang-limang 3-point shot pa lang yan ni Jaire Ibanez dito sa Fiesta Conference, but he's shooting a pretty decent 33.3% from the field or from beyond the line.
Tama yan. And you know, these locals other than J.R. Reyes and Joe Devance should really be more aggressive offensively, no? Dahil nga their import is struggling right now pagdating sa field goal shooting. Although maganda pa rin naman ang averages nitong sila Marquis Gainus. Pero hindi sapat yun no? Mas lalo when they're struggling in their last few games dito sa Fiesta Conference. As a timeout is called on the floor. Magbabalik po ang aksyon mula po sa tupod Lanao del Norte after we take this short break.